Here I have a master lock. It's a solid brass trailer cupola latch lock rather. It's solid brass. It's 55 millimeters wide, or 2¼ inches, and you got the model number. Has no rating on it. The back it describes it. 3/4 inch, 19 millimeter protective case, hardened steel shackle, resist cutting and sawing. Built-in anti-sawing pin for maximum protection. Solid brass case for corrosion resistance. Precision pin tumbler mechanism for superior pick resistance. And there you can see the lock on the trailer hitch. And this is spring-loaded, and the core has a spring to it also. And to lock it, you have to press it back in and turn the key to get it to lock back again. It's 4 pins. There's fitting highs and lows. And I have to admit, I'll just stick this in here. I tried single pin picking this, and after 5 minutes I had no luck. It does have, to its credit, a spool in it, which will go into a false set real easily, and then you can't seem to pick the other pins. So after 5 minutes I gave up and decided to try a different way of getting in here. And that is raking. Let's see if I can hold this so you can see the shackle when it unlocks. Get the rake in there. There. Rakes open fairly easily. And then there's a bypass method. Getting this open. And that's using bypass knife, which you just insert and let's see. Let's try it this way. Boom. Oops. Didn't see that, it was off camera. Do that again. Insert the knife. Move it upwards. And boom. She's open. I also discovered this is how poorly made this lock is. Didn't lock it all the way. Let's get this turning tool in here. You can take your pick and you can go back in there. And it will also unlock it just by moving it up and down. You go all the way to the very back and hit the wall and just push up on the locking pawl, which is right here, and it opens it. So this lock is fairly useless for 17 bucks. So I went to my local Walmart, went to the automobile section and found this one. And this one was only $7. And this one is a wafer lock, which, as we know, are very easy to open. And so I wondered which one of these locks would be the most secure, this $17 lock or this $7 lock. And I found that if I had a trailer, I would use this thing. Even though it's a wafer lock, it is very, very hard to get into. Simply because to unlock it, you have to rotate it 3 full turns before the shackle will release. Do that again. Rotate it, and that will release the shackle. So what that means with this lock, only when you pick it, let's see if I can pick it for you. Let's see here. There we go. Rotates. And then it stops there at 90 degrees or at 3 o'clock. And you have to pick it again. So you have to pick this 4 times to get 1 rotation. And you've got to get 3 rotations in order to open it. So 3 times 4 is 12. You'd have to pick this 12 times to get it open. And that makes this a superior secure lock compared to the Master or most wafer locks. So there we have this, 2 comparisons. An expensive Master that is incredibly poorly made, and this inexpensive other trailer hitch lock that is extremely difficult to open, even though it's a wafer lock. So thanks for watching, and hope you learned a lesson here.